Today, I am reviewing HP 2025 17.3-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 17.3-inch laptop for 2025 is a powerhouse designed specifically for both business professionals and students who need performance, reliability, and productivity in one sleek device. At its core, this laptop is powered by the Intel 13th generation i3 and 3058 core processor, offering clock speeds of up to 3.8 GHz. This powerful CPU ensures that multitasking is seamless, whether you're running multiple applications, streaming videos, or working on demanding projects. Paired with 32 GB of DDR4-3200 RAM, this laptop handles heavy workloads with ease, making it ideal for users who require smooth performance for both work and play. When it comes to storage, HP has included a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, giving you lightning-fast boot-up times, quick application launches, and plenty of room for all your files, projects, and media. This combination of high-speed storage and large memory makes this laptop incredibly responsive, whether you're switching between applications, editing documents, or working on creative projects. The 17.3-inch Full HD Anti-Glare Display is another highlight of this HP laptop. With vibrant colors and crystal-clear images, it's perfect for productivity, entertainment, and presentations. The anti-glare coating reduces reflections, allowing you to work comfortably even in bright environments. For video calls and online meetings, the HP True Vision HD webcam provides clear, sharp video, and the physical privacy shutter ensures your personal space is protected when the camera isn't in use. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, giving you a reliable and fast wireless connection for streaming, file transfers, and connecting peripherals. The laptop also features a variety of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone/microphone combo jack, giving you all the options you need to connect external devices, displays, or audio equipment. One of the standout features of this laptop is the integration of Windows 11 Pro with the dedicated Copilot AI key. This AI-powered assistant helps boost productivity by providing instant suggestions, guidance, and automation for your daily tasks. It's perfect for business professionals who want to streamline their workflow or students who want intelligent assistance while working on assignments. Battery life is impressive, with up to 7 hours of mixed-use performance and support for HP Fast Charge, which can recharge the battery to 50% in just 45 minutes. This ensures minimal downtime, whether you're working on the go, attending online classes, or traveling for business. The floating, ergonomic keyboard further enhances comfort during long typing sessions, reducing hand fatigue and making typing more enjoyable. In terms of design, the slim silver chassis is professional, lightweight at 4.6 pounds, and portable, making it easy to carry between classes, meetings, or offices. The laptop also supports integrated Intel UHD graphics, allowing you to handle visual tasks and light media editing without any issues. Overall, the HP 2025 17.3-inch laptop combines performance, versatility, and advanced features in a sleek and professional package. Whether you are a student looking for a reliable study companion, a professional needing a high-performance business laptop, or someone who wants a large, immersive display for entertainment, this laptop has you covered. With its powerful 8-core processor, massive 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, Full HD display, Windows 11 Pro, Copilot AI, and modern connectivity, it's designed to meet the demands of today's users while offering room for productivity and entertainment in a single device. If you are looking for a laptop that balances speed, performance, display quality, and intelligent AI features, the HP 17.3-inch 2025 laptop is truly a top choice for anyone wanting a high-end, reliable, and future-ready machine.